Hey folks, Samsung will likely release the Galaxy S25 early next year, and it's expected to undergo a major redesign. Rumor has it that aside from a new look, it will also be equipped with a Snapchat Dragon 8 gameplay. In some countries and 1,500 others, although both chips are likely to be quite powerful according to rumors. Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 will be equipped with extremely powerful graphics, according to a report by the reliable insider digital chat station. Qualcomm Snapdragon 834
has exclusively
a precise GPU to enhance graphical performance. It's reported that the Qualcomm chip can run Genshin Impact at native 1080p resolution. Genshin Impact is widely considered the most graphically intensive game for smartphones and conventional games. Compares the gaming performance of the smartphone. It's said that currently the game runs at a 720 pixel resolution by default, and even then many phones barely support a 60 frames per second rate, a second with the highest quality of graphics. Qualcomm for video. I think they've sped up the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 development. They plan its launch for October 1st, 2024. It is reported that this future flagship chip will be manufactured using a 3nm process technology. Is equipped with a special processor core, a bell named Heads and Tails. These CPU cores are already utilized in the Snapdragon X Elite chip designed for a laptop in the Windows series. Since the company has already showcased the performance of Snapdragon X Elite, we can also expect impressive performances from Snapdragon 8 Generation 4. The only doubt remains about its energy efficiency. Some rumors claim the Snapdragon 8.4 is as efficient as Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, meaning to keep the phone on a reasonable battery life, manufacturers might cut performance. Now the 4. The first phone to be released based on the Snapdragon 8 G4 will be the Xiaomi 14, which may left in mid-October 2024. It is expected that some Galaxy S25 devices will use the smartphone. Dragon 8 Gen 4, which is likely to be announced in early January 2025. Yeah, rumors say that besides a new design and higher performance, the Galaxy S25 will get improved camera sensors, and they really need them because let's say the current flagship smartphone, Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, is equipped with a telephoto lens with an optical zoom from 3.5 to 5.2. X slightly above the 5x optical zoom of the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the upcoming flagship phone, the Sony Xperia 1 Mark VI, which the brand plans to release on May 11, 2024.
Flora will have a telephoto lens with an even bigger size.
Higher optical zones, which pushes the Samsung camera even further in the optical race. In a new teaser, Sony announced that the Xperia 1 Mark VI will feature a telephoto lens with a focal length from 35mm to 138mm. If the main camera of the phone has the same focal length as the Xperia 1 Mark V, it means its television will provide optical zoom from 3.5 to 5.7. 5 times compared to the main camera. It's a minor improvement, but definitely a much anticipated update. Moreover, the upcoming flagship Vivo phone X100 Ultra will also have a higher optical zoom, 7 times more than the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As you can see, Samsung is quickly starting to fall behind the competition. We hope the South Korean tech giant will offer its next flagship phone, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with a higher optical zoom, possibly bringing back the 10-fold optical zoom of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, CES20 Ultra. Personally, I would like that, and then the company will regain the crown for the highest optical. In any case, I will keep you posted, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget about our Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Harry was with you. Good luck to everyone.